Hello viewers, hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to create scene beautiful budget friendly table decor using something super simple, mason jar and any glass jar you already have at home. Whether you decorating for a dinner party for festive occasion or just want to give you dining table, so this one is exact right. This video is packed with ideas you will love. So grab your jar, a few simple supplies, and let's get creative together. Our first idea is a rustic candle jar, perfect for cozy dinner and romantic evening setup. Start by cleaning your jar thoroughly, then wrap some jute rope or twine around the top edge of the jar. You can add a small bow for a cute touch. Next, fill the jar with white sand, small pebbles or coffee bears, whatever matches your color theme. You can go with upcoming Christmas traditional color, white, red. Now place a tea light or LED candle in the center. Once you light it up, the soft glow through the glass look absolutely stunning. You can make a few of these and place them in a row along your table corner. Try using different jar sizes to create height variation. It makes your setup look more balanced and professional. Let's create a floral jar, ideal for parties, weddings, or festive dinner. Take a medium sized mason jar and wrap a lace, ribbon, or burlap cloth around it. Secure it with hot glue or double tape. Then fill the jar halfway with water and place your favorite fresh or artificial flower inside. You can use roses for elegance, sunflower for brightness, or arrange two or three of these jars together in the middle of your table and you will instantly have a charming floral setup. Add some fairy lights around the jar for a magical evening glow. Our third decorate the idea is paint mason jar or simple DIY that add a pop of color to your dining table. Take any old jar and apply a coat of chalk paint or acrylic paint. Pastel shadow line mint green, baby pink, or cream white work beautifully. Once dry, gently sand the surface with sandpaper to give it distressed vintage look. You can use these painted jars to hold flowers, spoons, napkins, or even candles. Mix and match color to match your event theme, for example, red and gold for a festive dinner, or blue and white for summer bunch. But you can go upcoming Christmas event, so red and white. Seal your paint white, a matte varnish spray to make it long lasting and waterproof. Fill your mason jar about these fourth with chosen water. Drop in some flour or colorful beads and place a floating candle on